Vicks Sinex Daytime is a combination medication used to temporarily treat symptoms caused by the common cold, flu, allergies, or other breathing illnesses, such as sinusitis and bronchitis. It helps relieve stuffy nose, sinus, and ear congestion symptoms. This product contains acetaminophen, APAP, a non-aspirin pain reliever and fever reducer. It is important to note that cough and cold products have not been shown to be safe or effective in children younger than 6 years. It is best to consult a doctor before giving this medication to children. Additionally, some products are not recommended for use in children younger than 12 years. It is important to carefully follow all dosage directions to decrease the risk for serious side effects. Vicks Sinex Daytime does not cure or shorten the length of the common cold. It is important to not use this product to make a child sleepy, and to avoid giving other cough and cold medications that might contain the same or similar ingredients. It is important to ask a doctor or pharmacist about other ways to relieve cough and cold symptoms, such as drinking enough fluids, using a humidifier, or saline nose drops/spray. When taking Vicks Sinex Daytime, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. Make sure not to give this medication to children if it's labeled only for adults. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. You can take this medication by mouth with or without food, typically every 4 to 6 hours as needed or as directed by your doctor. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon. Don't use a household spoon, as you may not get the correct dose. If the liquid form is a suspension, be sure to shake the bottle well before each dose. The dosage of Vicks Sinex Daytime is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. It's important not to increase your dose, take it more often, or use it for a longer time than directed. If your condition lasts for more than 1 week, gets worse, or occurs with a headache that doesn't go away, rash, or fever lasting more than 3 days, be sure to tell your doctor. These may be symptoms of a serious medical problem and should be checked by a doctor. Some common side effects of Vicks Sinex Daytime may include upset stomach, nausea, dizziness, trouble sleeping, or nervousness. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. However, it's important to notify your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental or mood changes, fast or irregular heartbeat, or problems with urination. While very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. If you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Acetaminophen is an ingredient in Vicks Sinex Daytime. It's important to not take more than 4,000 milligrams, 4 grams, of acetaminophen a day. If you have liver problems or are giving it to children, you should take less and always ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Do not use with any other drug containing acetaminophen without asking your doctor or pharmacist first. Acetaminophen is in many non-prescription and prescription medications, so be sure to check the labels on all your medicines and ask your pharmacist if you are unsure. If you take too much acetaminophen, seek medical help right away, even if you feel well. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, sweating, stomach/abdominal pain, extreme tiredness, yellowing eyes/skin, and dark urine. Daily alcohol use, especially with acetaminophen, may harm your liver, so it's best to avoid alcohol while taking Vicks Sinex Daytime. Before taking Vicks Sinex Daytime, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients or any other allergies. This medication may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have certain health conditions such as breathing problems, diabetes, glaucoma, heart problems, high blood pressure, liver disease, overactive thyroid, or urination problems, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using Vicks Sinex Daytime. This medication may cause dizziness, so it's important to avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness until you can do it safely. It's also important to avoid alcoholic beverages while using this medication. Some brands of Vicks Sinex Daytime may contain sugar, alcohol, or aspartame, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, phenylketonuria, or any other condition that requires you to limit these substances in your diet, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Children and older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, so it's important to be cautious when using it in these populations. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor before taking it. And before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Avoid taking MAO inhibitors while using this medication, as it may cause a serious interaction. Also, be cautious of other products that contain similar ingredients, as using them together could increase side effects. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so be sure to inform your lab personnel and doctors that you are using this drug. If someone has taken too much Vicks Sinex Daytime and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include a fast or irregular heartbeat, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, sweating, stomach pain, extreme tiredness, yellowing of the eyes or skin, dark urine, hallucinations, and seizures. It's crucial to get help right away if you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms after taking Vicks Sinex Daytime. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to stay on top of your health and follow up with your healthcare provider as needed. This will ensure that you are getting the proper care and monitoring for your condition. Don't skip any appointments, as they are crucial for managing your health effectively. If you forget to take Vicks Sinex Daytime at your regular time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Vicks Sinex Daytime at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it out of the bathroom and avoid freezing the liquid forms of the medication. Always keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Vicks Sinex Daytime, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper disposal methods. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.